Hello and welcome to the TV room. Yes, David Bradley here. I've been to the box room and said, oh yeah, the helmet. And it's funny, these stickers are really great. I love them. But if you're thinking about putting them on something like this, don't. Put them on something flat. They're meant for flat. They kind of, I don't know. Anyway, and I don't think this is the best thing to stick them to. Anyway, I have been to the basement. It's been a busy day. And I found some things. This here, made by ICD. It's an ADSCII 2000 for your Amiga 2000. And what it is, I can hold up here, it's still in the box. It's so that you can add a hard drive to an Amiga 2000. Basically, half of this is made up of the circuit board, and then at the other end, it looks rather blank. That's where you stick a hard drive. And you open up your 2000, you put it in the slot, fasten it all in, and supposedly it's pretty easy. I will have to test this. It is still in here. I don't believe it's ever been used. It's in its protective anti-static bag. And yeah, I'll have to see. So that too will likely go to the other room. Where's this Amiga? Now there's a couple other things I found, and they're much the same. And indeed, the one good thing about keyboards that are built into a machine is it's hard to lose them. Whereas keyboards that are connected by a cable and can be separated can be lost. For example, here is a Commodore 128 keyboard. It is, indeed. And it could use a good cleaning. It's a little bit dusty, but it's there. So no keys missing. There's the cable, and here should be the Commodore logo. And as one lady I worked with used to say, why do something once? You can do it twice. There's another Commodore 128 keyboard. And this one I think looks a little cleaner. It certainly has more of the pads on the back. It too could use a good cleaning. And of course, there's nothing like a magic eraser to take care of the dirt of the ages. This too, all this stuff will probably end up in the box room until I can look at it and test it on a 128. And if I have a 128 that doesn't have a keyboard, well now it's complete. If I have extra keyboards, well, stay tuned. Perhaps I'll sell them. Or perhaps, I suspect the internals are the same. But, there's always a keyboard out there missing some kind of a key on it. And it's, do you really need to buy a whole keyboard, or better to just get the key you need? Anyway, we'll see. Anyway, that is what I found down there at this moment. I am getting tired and I am getting hungry. So, I think soon I might stop today's operations. I might. It was an exciting day. This is laundry. I picked up tires. And, oh yes, I did find a free television set. A great big one. Let's see if this is still lit. Yep, we're still lit. And yeah. It's funny, I was testing this big TV. And I pressed the volume and said, not available, not available, not available. And it came with 2 remotes. And I thought, okay, something's wrong here. So I kept on trying. Finally, I found that the bad remote would go into the menu. And like the real menu, and in the menu, when I went to sound, it was set up to have an external speaker. And when you have an external speaker, you can't put the volume up on the television. I guess it was, wherever it was, connected to a stereo or some sort of other speaker system. But as soon as you set that setting right, woohoo, it's magic how quickly it comes to life. So we'll see where I can incorporate that into one of the rooms. Anyway, that's it. That's all. Thanks for coming. Have a lovely, lovely day. Bye for now.